we need to reconcile the country. And therefore, we want to plead and persuade all leaders also to reconcile with the truth and the reality. Because even as we reconcile with God and men, we also need to reconcile with the truth. The truth of the matter is that William Ruto is the President of the Republic of Kenya. Let everybody also, as we reconcile with God and with men, start by reconciling with the truth. I was very impressed the other day to see the women rep of Nairobi, Honorable Pasaris, reconciling with the truth in Nairobi that 70% of the people she leads live in the slums. And it would not be wise for her as a leader to oppose a program that is going to remove the people she leads from the slums to dignity. We are therefore asking everybody, as we reconcile with God and with men, let us also reconcile with truth and reality. Your Excellency, when we were seated there, you were a bit concerned ya kwamba hawa waliongea hapa wameumiza Kimani Ichungwa kidogo. But Your Excellency, you and I also need to reconcile with Kimani Ichungwa because he has not been very nice to us. You know, Kimani Ichungwa was in Alliance High School. Anytime we have an occasion and he's given an opportunity to speak, because the President and I were in some schools who many people don't want to mention or think about, he tries to intimidate the President and I, despite the fact that we are seniors, that he was in Alliance High School. Lakini sasa wewe ndugu yangu Kimani Ichungwa, hata kama ulikuwa Alliance na mimi sikuwa huko, uniheshimu kidogo. Kwa sababu hiyo Alliance yako hiyo, they say that the people from Alliance boys and girls are top. Mimi niliingia hiyo Alliance yako, Alliance girls, nikachanganya mtoto ya mwenyewe, nikaweka box, ni bibi yangu leo. So between me and these guys who went to Alliance, who is more superior? na sikuweka a box peke yake for the last 35 years, ako kwa hiyo box. Finally, Your Excellency, before I call you, I want to commend the choir, ile ya Osoro. So Osoro na hiyo timu yako, tukimaliza munione nyuma ya hema. But not the bigger team, that one hiyo bado. Hiyo iko chini kidogo, so Osoro,